Hi guys, I'm here to let you know that beauty isn't going anywhere. I am here teaching some fabulous students. Check this out.
I took Joi's class today to build my technique on microblading and microshading, and I'm so excited to implement the tools that she taught us today to build my business and build my brand. This is my very first microblading to microshading class with Joi. I learned about the shading, the shape, the symmetry of eyebrows. It was an amazing experience.
Beauty is not going anywhere. You're going to make money doing it. Commit to it full time, you'll get full-time results. Right now, they're about to upgrade their career.